lashed the commercial city of Hubli on Saturday afternoon, disrupting normal life in several parts of the city and affecting public movement. According to reports, the city experienced cloudy weather from morning. However, despite the overcast conditions, residents witnessed intense heat and bright sunshine during the afternoon. Shortly thereafter, the weather changed suddenly as strong winds accompanied by thunder and heavy rain swept across the city. The downpour led to waterlogging in several low-lying areas, particularly in parts of Old Hubli and Anand Nagar. Water also accumulated on the BRTS road, causing inconvenience to commuters and motorists. People who had visited the market struggled due to the sudden rain, while vehicular movement was affected in some areas because of the waterlogged roads, while the sudden spell of rain brought temporary relief from the heat. It also created difficulties for residents, commuters and traders across Hubli. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.